If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Call today to schedule a test drive.